Arlene from Arlene's Creations, and I just wanted to show you real quick what I received in the mail. I ended up coming across a HSN gift card that I had gotten for Christmas that I forgot I had, and it was for $100. And I happened to be watching HSN that day, and it was their craft show. And as you all know, I love doing crafts, and I make soaps and all kinds of things like that. And I'm always making gift baskets and using a ton of crinkle paper. So I had seen this. It was a today's special value. It usually goes for $199, and it was on today's special value for $99 with free shipping. So this is what I ended up ordering. And this, I didn't even take it out of the box yet. So I'm just going to do a quick product review, and I'm going to try it out right in front of you. So it's called Crinkle It. And it comes in this beautiful box. And this is like sturdy, sturdy, sturdy. Then it says, thank you, we hope you enjoy imagining new in tissue, I can't even read this, right? Oh, and unique applications for Crinkle It. Please visit crinkleit.com and share your ideas with us. Enjoy. So it came with a little thank you for ordering it. Open it up. Now you have some paper that starts you out. All different colors, as you can see. 120 sheets. Comes with some gift bags. Oh, this is all ideas that you can do with the crinkle paper, of course, for baskets. Used to stuff dolls and for holiday decorations. These are just put into like cello bags. How cute are those? Packing material, boot shaper. You can put it in your boots to keep your boots. Handbag stuffer. Bedding for pets. Moisture absorbing shoe insert. Potting soil. Mix paper into potting soil to help keep the soil retain moisture. Compost worm bin. Trash bin deodorizer and dehumidifier. So you sprinkle some baking soda and water onto the paper, and you throw it in your trash bin. You can use it for cat litter, mulch, and you can make fire briquettes out of it. Alright, so it's a nice little book that gives you ideas, which I would have never thought of half of those. Gives you the book on how to set it up. Okay. Now when I was watching it on HSN, this is actually the bin that you use to put your crinkle paper right into. Like I said, this is really, really nice and sturdy. So I'm just going to take that out. Take this out of the packaging. What is this? This machine is inspected for workmanship and tested for proper functioning and operation. As a result, you may find some residue paper shreds in the unit. Okay. I guess they say that so this way you don't think that you got a used machine. it comes wrapped like this. I'm just gonna tear it open. I actually have a basket to make tomorrow. I'm doing an order for some decorated dinosaur and number 3 cookies for a kid's dinosaur 3rd birthday party. So I'll be decorating those cookies today and making a nice basket for them. So I'm just going to plug this in. Then they said this is the bin that you use. And like I said, it's super sturdy. It's not flimsy. And you just go like that. Alrighty. See if you can see this. Alright. So that's right. So I'm just gonna with the directions because it's not going on for some reason. Okay. So, attachable arm. Oh, main power switch is back here. Okay. Okay. So, open up this paper. See what this baby does. Now it does say do not insert heavier than 28-pound paper. So at the craft stores they sell all different weight of colored paper, or you can just use regular white that you would use for your printer, for your computer. And I'm gonna do some green because the cookies that I'm making, the lady wanted blue and green cookies. That's the colors of the party, so I'm just going to shred all these greens. And we'll have crinkle paper for my basket. Alright, so I'm going to turn it on. And you just feed it through. I forgot to take something off the bottom here. Oh no, it's coming through. Okay. You can see in here, but it's starting to drop out. Oop, sorry. So I shredded all of my green papers. That was really quick and easy. Just trying to get this camera to stay up. And you can reverse it and then let it fall through. So there's still some under here. I guess you could just pull that out. As you can see, beautiful crinkle paper like you would get the store. I mean, I usually get mine at the Dollar Tree, but I can't tell you how many times I need to make a basket and I don't have any and I have to run out. Now I can just use any scrap paper that I have at the house, which I have tons, and just crinkle it myself. So I'll never ever have to buy crinkle paper again. So I'm really loving this machine. Again, it's called Crinkle It. And it came beautifully packaged. Stick the camera and stay up straight. There we go. Yeah, so there's my little product review. I give it a thumbs up. I mean, this isn't going to be enough paper for my basket, so I'll run out to the craft store and just, it's so much cheaper just to buy the paper, especially if you have like a 50% off coupon, you know, for Michael's or Joann's or Hobby Lobby, and you just make your own shredded paper. And in this book, it did say that it has a website. It has a website to get more ideas, so I'll definitely be checking that out. So, yeah, so there's a ton of things that you can do with it, and I think this was a good purchase for me because, like I said, I'm always making baskets and doing something crafty and need shredded paper for it, and now I never have to buy it. Just use scrap papers, and if you just want white paper, like I said, you could just use your regular paper for your printer, for your computer, and just do white, which I just got like 500 sheets for like $4, $5, like so cheap. So imagine all the white crinkle paper you can make for $4 instead of going out and buying it $1 a bag. And that's at the Dollar Tree. If you were to go to a regular stationery store or even Target, they charge like $1.99 a bag. So yeah, so if anybody out there is crafty, and you use a ton of crinkle paper, this might be a good investment for you. And like I said, I did get it on a Today Special value, so it was only $99 plus free shipping. I'm sure the price is back to regular being $1.99, but they have flex pays. You could pay it off, you know, monthly if you really wanted it. And so that's my little video on the Crinkle It. Alright, that was just a quick little thing I wanted to show everybody. I have been really busy with Etsy orders, and I'm actually today's Thursday. I have to decorate the cookies today, then Friday, Saturday, Sunday, I'm working back at the convent. They're having their meetings, so I have to go in each day for a few hours. So probably Monday or Tuesday, I'm going to be making another soap because I know I haven't posted a video in a while, but I've just been super busy, and at some point I have to get over to the nursing home to see my uncle. So that's on my list. So I just wanted to do this quick video and show everybody this machine. And like I said, I only just opened it with you guys on film, and look how easy it is to do. It took me like not even a minute to set up. And I'm really loving this box. It's super sturdy. It's almost like a plasticky. It's not even like cardboard. It's really nice. Alright, so yeah, next week I'll be making a couple more videos. Then I'll be going to Georgia by the end of the month. I have a baby shower that I'm doing, helping my sister-in-law with down in Georgia. And yeah, so I'll try to get as much done before I go, because I'll be there for a week. And everybody, thanks for watching. Please hit that subscribe button. Please like the video. Please share it. Give me a thumbs up. And everybody have a great day. And stay nice and cool, because I know the summer heat wave is coming through. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you all soon. Bye everyone. Love you guys. Bye.